Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a snapshot update. To know how to fix or how to solve snapshot update, you should just go to settings. After that you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list you will enter to snapshot and you will enter here in this window. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter the storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about snapshot. When you'll find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.